In this video, we are going to learn how to achieve cinematic look using Filmora mobile. So before starting the video, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Filmora mobile, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora mobile. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, then do please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. So first of all, here is our Wondershare Filmora mobile application. First of all, you have to create the new project. Just simply click on the new project icon and import your video. So after importing the video, here is our timeline in which we have to edit our video. So for the first case, I just simply add some transition effect. Just simply tap on your video like this and just simply click on split button. After splitting, you have the option to add the transition. Just simply click on add transition icon and there you have a large variety of transitions that you can use in your videos. So I just simply go to the resolve transition. So as you can see, this transition effects looks really cool. If you want to achieve cinematic look, then you definitely need to add the transition effects in your videos. Now it's time to slow down your video. Just simply tap on your video and in the tool panel, simply click on the speed panel. Now you have the slider here. From this slider, you can easily adjust your speed of your video. Also, there is an option of the curve in which you have the pre-made templates that you can use in your videos. This template looks really awesome, so I just simply go with the highlight template. So this looks really awesome for me. Now it's time to color our video for more cinematic look. I just simply tap on my video and simply go to the adjustment tab. And in the adjustment tab, you have the option to adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, vibrance, brightness according to your need. Also, there is an option of filter, and these filters really save your time because these filters are pre-made templates. So for my project, I just simply go to the film tab. And in the film tab, I just use silent filter. Just simply click on apply to all. It will automatically apply to your whole video. Now it's time to add visual effects. Just simply click on the effect tab and in the effects tab, you have a large variety of effects that you can use in your videos. So I just simply search for the cinema effect. Now you have a large variety of cinema bars. You can simply download your favorite one and use in your videos like this. So for my case, I just simply click on the cinematic border like this because this works really well for me. So as you can see, our effect has been applied. Now I am stretching my effect to my whole video like this. Now it's time to add the music effect in the background of a video. Just simply click on the add music icon and here you have the large variety of musics that you can use in your videos. So for my case, I just simply use the second one, Walk on Tiptoe AI music. I just simply download this one. After downloading, I just simply click on add music. Now my music has been added inside my video. Now let's take a final output of our video. So I hope this video really helped you out. If this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel to get updates of our upcoming videos regularly. Also, if you have not downloaded the latest version of Filmora mobile, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora mobile application. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.